Ross, is it now just a cold, blustery day out there?
It's just brutal out there. Temperatures about 20 degrees cooler than what they were from yesterday, already on top when we had temperatures into the 60s.
Yeah.
It feels like forever ago, but it was
does.
actually Tuesday that we had a record high of 63. Right now we're at 20 degrees. Still got a little bit of a breeze coming from the northwest. We had gusts close to 40 miles an hour recorded out at the airport with sustained winds close to 14 miles an hour. So overall, it's just been a very, very blustery day. And again, here's a look at the temperature change in the past 24 hours. Noticing not much of a change towards the north, and that's mainly because when that snow moved in yesterday evening, it cooled things down a lot faster, and we are holding on to pretty mild temperatures around 38 degrees here around this time. So we're going to continue to see temperatures drop later tonight, unfortunately. And just here's a quick look at our almanac. Really, our low temperature for today is our current temperature, and our high was 30 this morning at around 12:30. So I don't need to tell you, it was really cold today, and those winds were brutal. So taking a look at live max storm radar, this is just from yesterday, 24 hours ago, as the system developed and pushed across the east, really started to amplify as it made its way through the Appalachians, seeing anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow in central Pennsylvania, now pushing towards the northeast, seeing anywhere from a foot to 2 feet of snow by the end of the night for areas such as Boston. So we really just saw the beginning stages of this system as it pushed through the area. So luckily, we only saw around 1 inch to 2 inches of snow throughout much of southeastern Ohio, but we did see some snow showers return early this morning, thanks to that northwest flow pushing off the Great Lakes, pulling in some scattered snow showers. But really, just looking at some cloudy skies right now, but we'll see this high pressure build back into the area, which will help clear out those skies, but unfortunately we're going to see these guys drop as well. And as you can see, seeing numbers into the teens already, 19 in New Philly as well in Coshocton, 18 already in Mount Vernon. And taking a look off to the Great Lakes, we're going to continue to see the surge of cold air just kind of pull its way down into the region before we see that high pressure exit towards the east, supplying in some southerly flow. So here's that on our surface map, and that low pressure system off along the east coast. So we'll gradually see clearing skies overnight, but we could see some clouds returning here or there, probably a partly cloudy night as we can expect for tonight. And winds will calm down too, but not until later into the night, around midnight or so. So we're going to be dealing with wind chills like this for the next few hours, feeling like it's 2 degrees in Mount Vernon, 5 in Newark, 9 in Lancaster. So you really want to bundle up and throw on those extra layers if you're going to be going out there. So let's take a look at FUTURECAST heading this evening. We're going to continue to see that northwest flow. Really going to start to dwindle away those scattered lake effect snow showers. We're going to be looking at mostly clear conditions right around 5 a.m. But notice we'll see some clouds building in from the west. As that surges its way across towards the east, we'll see more clouds into the area. Then we'll start to see a system push through along the north of the Great Lakes, but really just going to bring some scattered snow showers just to the northeastern section of the state. And notice we'll start to see winds come in from the southwest. So we'll start to see that southerly flow come into play, which will help bring up warmer air and more mild conditions. So tonight, with that fresh snow-packed, light winds I'm expecting and that clearing we're going to get overnight, it's not going to be out of the question that we're going to have low temperatures into the single digits. I'm thinking we'll be right around 10 here in Zanesville. And for tomorrow, it's going to feel a lot warmer, but it's still going to be pretty mild actually for us because temperatures have been in the 20s throughout the course of the day. But notice we'll start to get that southerly flow, which will begin to pump in that warmer air for the region. But hey, that's not going to be the warmest we're going to see as we take a look for this weekend. We'll be seeing temperatures, well, it was just Tuesday, we saw highs at 63. We're looking near 62 on Sunday with a chance of rain. But with this system coming through, mainly just going to be rain, probably going to come late in the day Saturday. Most of it's going to go overnight and then ending Sunday morning. And taking a look at a fairly seasonal start as we close out next week.